Today is the 21st of Ramadan. It is a day of mourning today, but I'm not here to mourn Ali. I'm here to actually celebrate Ali. And I'm celebrating him because he gave us our sense of justice, our identity as just, rightful, and honest people and ethical people. And I'm also here to express my anger. I'm a human being. I get angry too. Everybody does. At those who have betrayed our very own people, they've betrayed our belief system, our religion, our region, our people, and simple human beings. You know exactly who I'm talking about. There was no reason for all this to happen except that it was for some who collude for causing harm to others. I woke up about 5 days ago. I think that was the third day of this war. All wars are unjust, in my opinion. And there's no such thing as killing of innocent people. Everybody is innocent. There is no reason for anyone to die for any cause unless it is in the defense of themselves, their families, their communities, and their faith. I woke up and I was completely heartbroken. I was sad. I wasn't angry at all, but I was very shameful. And I just had to sit down and write a prayer. And there's nothing we can do except to pray and except to ask those who made us, those who matter to us, those who gave us our identity, and those who gave us the very reason for sitting here today. You know, in my tradition, there is a tradition of lamentation and there is a tradition of dua, asking Hazrat Ali for help. I wrote it in Urdu and then I translated it into English. So I'll read this out to you. I just have to say what I'm feeling and what I believe. O Ali, for 14 centuries, I've begun my mornings by taking your time, and with the support of that name, I face this world and the struggles of life. O Ali, you yourself have said that I could say everything to you because I belong to your family. You had promised me, keep taking the name of Hussain, continue following the example of Zainab, hold their gatherings, continue their mourning, and keep their remembrance alive, and you will remain protected. After Karbala, no tyrant will be able to touch you. No one dare raise a finger at you. No oppressor will imprison you. In generations, no Sakina will again be left orphaned, and no Ali Asghar will again become the target of spears. The sacrifices that we have already given. The blood that we had shed, we have already shed. You had said that we should simply keep the banner of Hussain raised, and no Yazidi would dare to stand before us. But O Ali, to whom shall I appeal now? Where shall I go? Where shall I turn? The intensity of pain, grief, and sorrow has brought the heart to such a point that only one question remains. Why are we still alive? The swords of these Yazidis and the blows of these hypocrites that are still raining down today on our people make us their targets as well. Take us from this world. Perhaps if we die, this pain, this sorrow, this anguish will finally lessen. Under the weight of this suffering, the desire to remain alive has disappeared. O Ali, the oppression that has been inflicted upon our Persian brothers, sisters, and children cannot be heard without unbearable pain. It cannot be seen. These are your people. They take your name. They are the servants of your household. For 14 centuries, they have served you in devotion. You yourself had said that we are in your service. And in the service of the Master cares for his servants and his attendants. O Ali, have mercy on them. O Ali, bring this oppression to an end. For your name and the name of your family, we beat our chests in mourning, we perform the rituals of grief, and we keep alive the remembrance of your suffering. Today, it is my right to plead before you for mercy. Perhaps now our place is only at the feet of Hussain, where he stands as a guardian. Take us there as well, for we can no longer endure this hell. Sometimes Gaza, sometimes Iran, sometimes Pakistan. Everywhere the fire of oppression is burning. O Ali, help me. This grief can no longer be endured. Either take us away from here or silence those tyrants. O Ali, on the day of judgment, take my hand and bring me before the one from Medina, and with my head lowered, I will say only this to him. O Messenger of Allah, for 14 centuries I have continued to invoke the name of your Ali. I have kept the banner of your grandson Hussain raised. I have shed tears in grief for your daughter Zainab, and yet we have lived to see this day. O Ali, O Ali, O Ali. On the day of resurrection, grant me the permission to stand before my Prophet. Grant me the courage to raise my finger and complain before him. about those hypocrites, those deceitful ones, those dishonorable, ignoble, tribal hypocrites who still surround my people today. I think I have a right to complain directly to my Prophet. There is no one else we can complain to. O Ali, these are the same hypocrites who never accepted the truth. These are the same people who at every turn in history tried to suppress what was right. These are the same people who, after the messenger of God, refused to recognize their rightful position and who filled their hearts with hostility towards the Ahlul Bayt. O Ali, let me say on this day, O Messenger of Allah, these are the same people who killed Hussain. These are the same people who oppressed your household, and their descendants still remain on this earth, keeping oppression alive. And I will point my finger towards them on the day of judgment in appeal to you for justice and say, O Allah, curse the killers of Hussain and his companions. These are the very people, and even today there are those who follow in their footsteps. So may curse be upon them, and may curse remain upon them forever. Now you must be wondering, why am I cursing in a mosque? I think when people are broken, they are pushed to say these things, and I have no issue saying these things because it's hurt so much. And this is a time for all of us to gather together for one single reason, that our very belief system is at a threat. And unless we all stay together as one voice, I don't think we'll make it. I think we already haven't made it, but it'll be worse. Thank you.